Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinake. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely scarf DIY wig. I'm going to be using a sleek scarf, then I'm using my metallic pen to draw a line on how I'm going to be applying the wig, sorry, the weave on the scarf. So you can see after I'm done doing that, I'm going to be putting this on my dumb head. That's my mannequin head. So you can see I'm pinning it down with a pin. So after I'm done doing that, I'm going to be showing you guys the hair I'm going to be using. This is the weave one I'm going to be using. This DIY is kind of tricky, but if you can really watch it and watch it again, you're going to understand. The first part is, so the first line at the front, that is where my wig is going to stop at the front of my face. Then the second line you saw me drawing, that is where my wig is going to stop at the back, so that I can tie the scarf. I won't lay the wig round the scarf. Sorry, I said the wig, the weave round the scarf. So you can see I mentioned first, before I start applying my gum glue on the wig, you can't sew this, you can only glue it, because if we sew this is a sleek scarf, it's going to show outside, so we can only glue it with a gum glue so that it won't show. So I keep laying the track, I keep laying it. I'll check the volume, maybe it's okay to what I want. I'll keep adding more if it's not okay. That is how I keep doing it. I mention you have to demarcate the line where you want your weave to start and where you want it to stop. You have to tie the scarf. You can see me from the beginning. I tie the scarf to measure what I want. Then I use my metallic pen to draw the line. You're going to see me doing the back line where I drew like something like a circle. You can see I'm done fixing the two side. I'm done fixing the two side. I fixed the second side off camera when I already explained the first side. So this is the back now. I'm going to use a pin to hold it down also. You can see the circle line I drew. So I'm going to use a pin to hold it down. Then I'll start laying the wig. But before I start laying the wig, let me explain this part. I won't lay the wig, sorry, the weave. What am I saying? Wig, the weave. I won't lay the weave inside that circle. I'll lay it outside the circle, so that when we tie it, the weave won't fold or anything. You see the final look towards the end of this video. So now I'll start laying the weave down on this sleek scarf. I'll start laying it down. You can see I lay the weave outside, not inside the circle. We won't put anything inside, underneath it. No, we won't lay anything. That part is not going to be showing when we tie our scarf down. The main reason why I lay a weave outside the circle is that when we tie the weave down, our hair won't show. It won't show. So it's a must for you to cover the back so that your hair won't show if you use the kind of scarf I used. So I'll keep laying it down with my gum glue. So now let's tie the scarf. I didn't even use up to one pack of hair. No, I did not use up to one pack of hair. So now let's tie it. You can see the way I tied the scarf. That is what I'm saying. You're beginning, then where it will stop. So you see the back. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about the back. Also, you can actually put on a cap on these, all this turban cap. You can put it on this lace scarf. The scarf is very light. So the final look. Oh my god. Just wait a minute. Wait. Is this a scarf? Or do you fix the hair? Or is this a wig? So can you see the back? That was what I'm trying to explain so that you'll be able to tie the scarf at the back. It won't show your hair or anything. Fire bomb. This is the final look. Yes, nobody's going to know. No one is going to know. Throw on and go to anywhere you want. Thank you so much for watching. Please support your girl by clicking on the subscribe button. Share with your loved one. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Mwah. Thank you for watching.